in there?
You gotta put the rock in the mailbox for the mailman.
Oh man.
Yeah, you gotta put that rock in the mailbox so we can go in the house.
Oh, a house.
In the house, that's right.
House. The doggy. Okay.
Say happy birthday.
Oh, okay.
Happy birthday to Haven.
Okay.
Say happy birthday to me.
Oh, I know me.
That's right.
Oh, no.
Say I'm 2.
2.
2 years old.
2.
That's right. 2 years old.
2.
Look, there you go. 2. 2 years old.
3.
I'm 2. You'll be 3 next year.
3.
You'll be 3 next year.
3.
Yep, thumbs up. And down. That's right. Say congratulations. Congratulations. And you're fired. You fired. That's right. Congratulations on your raise. And you're fired. That's right.